another video on easy peel eggs, because the last one was a failure. This guy on the internet said that you boil them for 8 minutes and then you cool them for 3 minutes and then they easily peel. What a load of rubbish that was. So let's go back to my original idea that I think it's just old eggs that peel easier. And I was chatting to a friend today, connections to farming, and he said it's down to the quality eggs as well. So like a really good quality egg, like a farmyard type of egg, would be easily peeled as well. He said it's down to the diet that the hens are fed. So if they're rooting around outside eating grubs and grit and all those type of things, he says you get a better quality shell and a better quality easily peeled egg. So these are the same eggs that, well, from the same place that I get all my that I get my eggs from. So these are the same eggs that I used in the other video that was a failure. Same people. They were bought a week ago today. Well, no, 8 days ago. So it's Friday today. I bought them last Friday. So they're 8 days old. So they're old. They're a week old. And let's see if they peel any easier. So I want them soft, like softish in the center. So I don't want a runny egg like a soft-boiled egg. I want a slightly runny center. So we're going to boil them for 5 minutes. Once cold water up the boil, 5 minutes, and then cool them down in some cold water. Well, we'll see. Actually, we'll see if we can peel when they're relatively warm and see if that works. So, yeah, that's pretty straightforward, isn't it? Of course it is. So we'll be back when they have had their 5 minutes of cooking. Right, that's slightly over 5 minutes. It's a couple of seconds over, maybe 5. So let's pull one out. The shell's cracked, so let's see if that peels straight away. Let's cool these down in some water. I'm not going to waste any ice because I quite like a cocktail tonight. I'd rather have ice in the cocktail than cool some eggs down in the ice. And it's also winter, so the water's really cold at the moment, so that's not going to be a problem to cool those eggs down. So he said 3 minutes, but we'll see what it's like. So if this one peels easily, then put it in the hot to touch. Peeling a lot easier. Just really hot. Yeah, you see, peeling a lot easier. Yep, there we go. There you go. Much easier to peel an egg when it's 8 days old than it is when it's fresh. Although, if anyone's got any foolproof ways of peeling fresh eggs and getting them nice without taking all the white flesh off them, then let me know in the comments. If anybody watches this video. If anybody watches this video, no one really watches my videos. Well, they do, but I can't understand which ones they watch. Random bizarre videos that people watch. The ones that I just kind of think, oh, I just made it for a bit of fun. And yet they get loads of views, and then the videos that I really find interesting, no one really watches them. But anyway, let's have a look at the egg after 5 minutes of boiling. Oh, look at that. There you go. So, easy peel eggs. They need to be at least a week old. There you go. That's my tip of how to peel an egg. Easy peasy.